3 mustn't do's with regards to driving the ball. Let's get into some of the things that we see quite often in club level golf or amateur golf. Mustn't do's is, firstly, a lot of people tee the ball very, very low because they're usually afraid of going underneath the ball, which is not really a problem of teeing the ball too high. It's about hitting downwards too much on your driver. So we definitely want to tee the ball up a little higher than you might like. We want half of that ball at least sitting up above the equator of the driver there. Mustn't do's. Number 1, this one. What's happened with my footwork? Nothing. So that's number 1. We certainly want to have that as your finish. So rain, hail or shine, good shot, bad shot, air swing, doesn't matter. You have to be finishing with your right toe up, or your right foot up on the toe completely. Second mustn't do is more of a philosophical thing. Don't try to hit the ball in the air. I know that might sound funny, but don't actually physically try and help it up in the air too much. You'll end up bottoming out, cold topping. Your center of gravity is going to be way too far behind the ball. You'll move too much upwards on the ball. We'll end up topping it. Last mustn't do is don't try and hit it too hard. Stay within yourself. So by all means, give it a hit, but the golden rule is you have to finish in balance. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this shot here. I'm going to hit it full, but I'm going to stay balanced. Okay, that's probably the best one I've hit today because I stayed within myself. We hope this is more helpful for you in terms of your consistency. We hope you can do these, stay away from these mustn't do's, get up on your toe. We hope that helps with your consistency.